Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to learn about the difference between throw and throws. So in previous video, I have seen the throws and the throw keyword in detail. So I will give the link in the description and you can go and watch that videos. Now in this video, we are going to learn about the difference between throw and throws. So let's start. So the first difference we will see that the definition of it. So the throw keyword is used to explicitly throw a single exception either checked or unchecked during the execution of a method or a block. And the throws keyword is used in the method declaration to indicate that the method might throw one or more exceptions. So the throw keyword is used to throw the single exception only, whether it is an unchecked or checked. And the throws keyword is used to throw more than one exception at a time. Next difference is purpose. So the purpose of throw keyword is to actually throw an exception object during runtime, and the purpose of the throws keyword is used to declare the potential exceptions so that the caller can handle them. So the purpose of the throw keyword is used to throw an customized exception at a runtime, and throws keyword is used to pass the exception to its caller. Okay, so the caller can handle the exceptions. So let's see where it is used. So the throw keyword is used inside a method or a block of a code. Okay, and the throws keyword is used in the method, okay, signature at the header. The syntax for the throw is we have to write throw, then new keyword is for the dynamic allocation, then the type of exceptions. So there are various types of exceptions such as runtime exception, arithmetic exception, compile time exception, IO exception, that is input output exception. So I've taught that in previous video. So that link also I will give in the description, so you can go and watch. Okay, and we have to give the message of, okay, the customized message you can give. So after running the code in the console, you will get the same message that you have passed in the message string, message as a string. Okay, and the syntax for the throws is we have to create a method. So as you create a method like this only, then in front of that we have to write throws, then the type of exception. Okay, exception type 2 up to exception type n. You can throw the multiple exception at a time. So next we will see the number of exceptions. The throw can throw only one exception at a time. So the throws keyword can declare multiple exceptions separated by the commas. Okay, so as you can see in the syntax, so let's take this example as IO exception, then comma, then second exception can be SQL exception, the third exception can be arithmetic exception. Like this we can declare multiple exceptions, okay, at a time. And in throw we can only handle one exception at a time, followed by, so let's see, an instance or object of an exception class. And the throws keyword is one or more exception class names. So the throw keyword is used to deal with the object, and the throws keyword is deals with the class. Next difference is the type of exceptions. Throw keyword can be used with both checked exceptions as well as unchecked exceptions. But the throws keyword is mainly used with the checked exceptions like IO exceptions, SQL exception, etc. Next difference is causes. Okay. So the throw keyword causes the method to stop the execution and look for a matching catch block. And the throws keyword does not throw an exception itself, it just tells the caller that an exception might occur. While running the program, suppose the code has been abnormally stopped. Okay, so the throw keyword find the matching catch block for that exception. Throws keyword does not handle the exception itself, it passes that exception to its caller. This is the effect on the program flow. So the throw keyword transfers control to the nearest catch block or terminates the program if uncaught. So in throws keyword, caller method needs to either handle the exception by using try and catch or declare it further by using throws. If the error has occurred in the program, okay, so the throw keyword is used to find the nearest catch block and the catch block will be executed. If the catch block is not caught by the compiler, so the program will get terminated. And in the throws keyword, we can handle the exception by using try and catch block, or we can pass that exception to its caller. It is compile time requirements. Okay, so in throw keyword, for checked exceptions must be caught or declared using throws, and in throws keyword required when the method may throw checked exceptions that are not caught inside the method. In throw keyword, we can handle the exceptions in a block only. The throw keyword can only handle the checked exceptions. The exceptions must be caught, okay, or it should declare by the throws keyword. But in the throws keyword, while the compilation time, the program can caught more than one exceptions. Okay, so if one exception we can handle using the throw keyword, if suppose the another exception has occurred, so we can handle that exception using throws keyword. So that exception we cannot handle inside the method, so that's why we need the throws keyword. So this is the difference between throws and throw. So thank you for watching this video.